talking, I don't sweat that. If they don't trust me either, I respect that. But she need down the ride, oh, I bet that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that. Don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that. Don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that.
Amazon now has 750,000 robots that they're using and deploying throughout all of their facilities.
Amazon is testing a humanoid robot in its warehouses. The robot is called Digit.
Amazon says it's revolutionizing the way consumers get their orders.
We are reimagining the future of robotics.
What we're witnessing right now is the world of innovation and automation. We're about to witness jobs change to the likes of which we've never seen before.
It all looks cool, especially the robots.
Yeah.
But you do have to wonder about the folks who used to actually have those jobs, like the people.
Amazon insists their data proves otherwise, that they are adding jobs as they are adding robotics. The person who might be lifting those shelves or lifting those totes is a different person. They may now need to brush up on engineering skills or different kinds of critical thinking.
When you look at what Amazon's new robot is doing, just remember this is just the beginning stages of this.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
My name is AH.
And I'm JH. How y'all doing, Postal family?
Is everybody good?
Is everybody cool?
Is everybody crisp?
Is everybody clean?
Is everybody Irie?
Are you Irie?
Yeah.
Are
you Irie?
I'm Irie. So let's talk.
Yeah.
Let's talk. Let's
Yeah,
talk.
yeet.
Whatever that means. Listen, I just showed you that video a little while ago about the
Robots on Amazon?
Yeah, the robots.
Because like the robots are taking over Amazon.
Yeah, but can I ask the question?
Yeah, sure.
What do you mean, sure? All right. Will you just okay? Well, what do you think about the robots taking over Amazon, or them bringing all them robots? What did you notice that they were doing?
They were like real robots. Like that's AI.
Artificial intelligence?
Yeah. So I'm impressed because like with robots, did you know, fun fact, robots or AI are smarter than humans, if you did not know that.
But they're programmed by humans, so how are they smarter than humans?
Well, some robots don't get programmed.
Well, I understand what you mean, but robots, they are programmed and they are supposed to learn as they are doing the work on how to get better. They improve. That's what they call it. The robots will automatically self-improve and get better.
So what I'm really thinking is robots are literally gonna take out the post office is gonna, Amazon is gonna take off the
workers
to put in the robots because robots are fast.
We spoke about this a while ago, didn't we? And what do you think? I mean, we follow everything that Amazon does because they have better technology than we do.
Yeah.
So do you think that they could possibly be thinking about putting them at where I work?
Well, the post office, they could work there. But you can't make money if robots are everywhere.
Well, who can't make money?
Everybody. The postal family.
Well, that's the point of this video, man. That is kind of the point of this video. That if robots take over,
how would you be able to make money?
That's kind of the point of this video, man. I was trying to get to that before you interrupted me, bro. Yeah. Oh, nothing. Oh, nothing. Yeet, yeah. Yeet, nothing. Oh, nothing. Look, there goes Trump's plane over there. Anyway, yeah, his plane's over there. It's over there. No, seriously.
Yeah, so how would you make money? Like,
Well, no, that's the point of it. If the post office adapts all this new technology, what are they going to do with the people that actually work there?
Yeah, they're gonna like place them somewhere else to do something, and like the robots take their place during something and like does that, or are they just gonna fire everybody for the robots?
Well, we hope that they're not gonna fire everybody because somebody gotta fix them and somebody gotta program them. But yeah, we got some real life considering to do things, thinking about things, because if you're not in a good place at the post office and one of these robots just happens to come in, then what? They're gonna take over, and then somebody's gonna be what?
Fired.
Jobless. I wouldn't say they fire them, but they're gonna be jobless. They're gonna try and put them somewhere, and there's not gonna be a place for them to work. All right? Because the robots are probably gonna do the job faster and more.
Because in the future, I was thinking like later on in the years this would happen, but it's already happening. Like, Amazon has been around for a while, and like it's just a few years, and now they're back. They're with robots now.
Robots, yes, robots now. And then, yeah, well, I mean, I don't know. We'll continue this story and we'll see how this thing unfolds, all right? But, I mean, what would you tell people that about with the robots? I mean, if you think that they're coming to your job, what do you think you should tell people? I mean, we take your expert advice.
Well, if robots come to your job, just make sure you have a open spot in a new job, because just make sure.
I get it. Make sure you have a backup plan, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I get it.
Because if robots come in, you out.
Woo. This boy here. Well, this is JH with our expertise advice from Dr. AH. And we out.
We out. Yay.
Unexpected expenses stressing you out? Get the money you need now with Loans for Feds, a program designed specifically for federal employees. Bad credit is not a problem. Application is fast and easy with same-day approvals. Apply now.